Thanks for tuning in. We got a special project today. I'm going to start a series, a woodworking series, just doing various projects, things I see on YouTube that I think I can do that I've never done before. I'm going to attempt to do. And we're going to start this off with a very special project. I'm going to turn these three pieces of wood, which are very, very, very special, have a very big history, into something. I don't know what yet. Stay tuned. Alright, it's story time. Let me tell you about this wood and where it came from. Years and years ago, probably back in mid-late 70s, Pop planted a pecan tree in our front yard of the childhood home that I grew up in. And my brother actually used to jump over this tree when my dad first planted it, so that long time ago. He'll get a kick out of that because he knows what I'm talking about. But anywho, the tree had to come down. Mom and Pop had to sell the house. Didn't have to, but they did, to move to North Georgia. They sold the house, and they decided to keep pieces of the trunk when they cut it down. I think it was about 12 or 14 inches on the stump. So it was a decent sized tree. And this is all that's left. So I'm going to make me a project. This ought to be fun. That was loaded. Wow, wasn't expecting that. Boy, that is warped. Hope I can use that, because there ain't much of this wood left. I think I decided I'm gonna make a box to put my remotes and things like that nature in, like kind of like a, not a keepsake box, but a simple 12 by 12 box with a sliding lid, and you can drop your remotes in. Maybe. Well, we got it gluing up. At least my one panel will be able to make. So I have to wait for that to dry, which gives me about 24 hours and you about half a second.
Yeah, that's the problem. You almost have to clamp these.
I've got good news and I've got bad news. Good news is I'm done. Bad news is I didn't get none of the last part on film. You ended with me using the oscillating sander, sanding around where I'm going to make a finger hole to slide in and out. I don't know what happened to all the stuff, so let me show you what I got. Alright, well, this is our final product. This is what we ended up with. Wormy Pecan. Let's slide this out. You guys can see the construction. No nails, only glue. Then our lid. I changed this up a little bit. I wanted to do a live edge, but the dimensions didn't come out right. So I chopped it off. You seen the video? No, you didn't see that part in the video. See, again, another clip I missed. And I took a Forstner bit, bored a hole through, and then smoothed it over for a finger hole. There it is. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you would like, hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. All that good jazz. If you didn't, you can give me a thumbs down. Rather than give me a thumbs down though, maybe make a suggestion. I always look to improve. I like to do better, find better ways of doing things. So I had no idea where I was going with this. I just kind of let my mind flow and just had to work in the confines of some really warped pieces of wood. And I wanted to make sure that I used every bit of it that I could for something to keep for myself. I know it doesn't have a finish. Don't know what kind of finish I'm going to put on it yet. Still ain't decided. I like the natural feel of wood, so we'll see. But thanks again. If you would, check out my other videos and maybe another playlist. See ya.